So the next test we are doing will be a power and strength test for a cricket player. The test I have chosen is a standing vertical jump. The equipment needed will be a piece of chalk, or anything to dirt your hands whenever you are performing a jump or performing a test. And then the next thing needed will be a measuring tape to measure the distance you get. Okay, the why I'm doing this. This is a test to gauge the explosiveness of the power, for it will be needed in the match simulation for that person to jump as high as possible, to jump to get the ball, and also to create as much force from his legs as possible to even transfer towards hitting the ball or even bowling the ball. How are we going to do this? We're going to do this by standing with your dominant side towards a flat surface. You need a flat surface as well, and a flat surface as well. Yeah. You do it with your dominant side towards a flat surface, and dirty your hands. Either dirty your hands, or you can use chalk and stretch as high as possible and chalk it where the point of your fingers is. Never higher, but always where the point of your finger is, and then chalk it there. Okay, so you're gonna chalk it onto the board. Unfortunately, today we have a whiteboard, so it might not be visible for you guys seeing it from the camera's perspective, but it is visible for us through the naked eye. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? I'm going to explain. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna stand here and make a mark at the point of our finger. I'm gonna stand here, and then we're gonna do a standing vertical jump, and at the point of our jump, or at the peak of our jump, we'll do another mark and measure the distance in. So the purpose of this, it's very easy, accessible for anyone. Anyone with a flat surface or a flat surface on the floor as well can perform the jump at home to gauge the distance or to gauge the power they are creating. The cons is it's not always easy to gauge the distance, because you might not mark at the peak of your jump, or even not even marking it straight in line with your standing edge. So what it would be advisable is for you to do it at least 3 or 4 times and gauge an average. Okay, so I'll demonstrate it now by doing the mark and the explosive jump and then marking it again. So the point of that mark will be where we start the measuring tape, and the point of, or the middle of our standing word, is where we do the next point. Thank you.